the mean, median, mode, and range. We know how to do that. And then we're making a box and whisker plot. And all of the parts of the box and whisker plot, all the 5 parts, those are all worth 3 points. So, okay. So, the total of all these numbers is 58. Since Mr. Pass is really good at addition.
Yep, we all knew that.
Okay. So, 58. How many numbers are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we divide it by 9. What does that give us?
6.5.
What? So what?
6.4 repeated. So we can put 6.4 with a line over it. Because that's how you write repeating decimal.
Oh.
The line.
So you could have written 6.44 or whatever, or 6.4 is fine.
Okay.
Okay, now for the median. Now since these are already in order, it's pretty easy. I didn't mean to do that, so I might want to put all of them out of order, all the problems. Okay, since there's 9 numbers, is that an odd or even number? Odd. Now since it's odd, what does that mean for us? That there will be a middle number. What does that mean for us, everybody? That there's going to be a middle number. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, the middle number is 6. So we should have 4 on the right, and we do. So the median is 6. Okay, that didn't help, Mr. Pass. Okay, what's our next thing? Mean, median, mode. Okay, what does mode mean? The number that occurs the most. So 3, 6, and 7. Can there be 3 modes? Yes. So 3, 6, and 7. Okay, now what about the range?
It's 9. It's 9.
It's the greatest number minus the smallest. 12 minus 3 is 9. So please write your work down for all the stuff we're doing if there is work to show. 3. What's our greatest number? Matthew, what's our least number? Right. Okay, what's our median? We already have that. 6. It's this one. And that's also called? Q2. Very good. Very good. Thank you. All right, now we just need to find our Q1 in there and our Q3, which is going to be that with a 12. I can just write the 12 over here. All right, who wants to help us out on this? Jeffrey, please. Okay, so who can help us out? Go ahead, young lady.
Okay. So we need to find the greatest and least numbers, which is 3 and 12.
Well, no, we're going to find our Q1. How do we find our Q1?
So the first step, you find the median of between 3 and 6.
Well, yeah, between this number and this number. So what is it?
It's 4.
4. How did you get that?
You do 3 plus 5 divided by.
It's the one halfway in between 3 and 5, so the answer is 4. So our Q1 is 4. Cool. All right, who can help us with the Q3? Go ahead. Mm-hmm. Halfway between 7 and 9, and that is 8. So this is really important, everybody. Do you see? Very good. Do you see why Q3 is 8? Because it's the median of our right 4 numbers. Now remember, we do not use the median when we're finding our Q1 and Q3. Super important. Super important. So Natalie, do we use the median in our Q1 and Q3? Are we all listening? Fantastic. All right, let's make our box and whisker plot. So we need to go use our number line from 3 up to 12. So I can just go by ones, huh?
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay! Okay. So we put a dot at our 3, a line at our 4, a line at our 6. Oops. Thank you. Appreciate that, sir. Okay, and then 6, and then 8. It's hard to draw on this thing, sorry. I'm doing my best. Okay, and then 12. Alright? Now we don't really need to label this one, right? Because it's right above the numbers. But if it wasn't right above the numbers, then we would have to maybe label it. If it was like 3.67, you would have to label it so that I know you got it right. Make sense? Any quick questions on this? Yeah. Is it an emergency? Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Just kidding. All right. So we're gonna do the mean first. So the mean is 1,000 what? 1,204.1, and then we need to divide that by however many numbers there are. 17. We definitely need a calculator for that. And what do we get? 70.83, because I'm going to round up. It was 829. 70.83. Mean. What about our median? Well, we have to put them all in order. So I'm going to do that on here. Let's see. First one is 50. Okay, 50. What's next? 51. I don't see 51. There it is. 51. What else? 58 and then 59, right? 61. And then 64. I think I need to fix my 59. That's terrible. And my 58. And my 50. That's not good. 58, 59. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, after 64. You? Okay, 74, 74.4. 74.5, 76.
I did it.
There's no two 74s.
74.1 and 74.5.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Uh-oh, I need to move that out of the way. Excuse me. Excuse me, Mr. Line. Isn't that crazy how I can move stuff around on my computer? No. Okay. 76.3, what's next? 77.2. And then 81 and 81, right? 81.4 and 83. Oh, where's 82? Oh yeah, 82.3 and 83.
Oh God.
All right. So we're gonna count to make sure that I didn't miss any. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 17 numbers.
How do you do
Please not that. All right, so it's 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so I didn't miss any. Awesome. Now we need to find the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So wait, there were 17 numbers. So yeah, that means this is the median. Yeah, 74.5. Any questions about how I got that?
Sweet.
Now you can cross off from the front to the last, first to the last, first to the last, first to the last, until you get the middle number, right? Okay, cool. Next, so that's our median, 74.5. What's next?
The mode is 81.
The mode?
81.
How do you know it's 81?
There's 281.
You are absolutely right. Mode is 81. Median mode, mean, median mode, and range. So range is the last one.
33.
It's 83 minus 50, which is 33. All right, we're good. Almost done. Now we just need to find our Q1, Q3, and we're ready to make our box and whisker plot. Our Q1 and our Q3. How do we find our Q1 and our Q3? Well, how many numbers are before our median?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. We just counted it a little while ago, right? So if there's 8 numbers, is that even or odd?
Even, which means that it will be a decimal.
That means that it's going to be in between one of these two middle numbers. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's between 59 and 61. So it's going to be 60. Alright, so that's our Q1. My marker is really white up there, so it's kind of getting sloppy. Okay. And then our last Q3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. 81 and 81. So our Q3 is 81. Yeah. So I know you guys are so super sad. We do not have time to draw the box and whisker plot. But last thing is the Q3 minus Q1 is your inner quartile range. So 81 minus 74.5. No, I'm sorry. 81 minus 60. Okay, that's it. So study please.